Please be ready for a dictation of part 2 from a material taken from the Wikipedia on the Supreme Court of India, which can be used suitable for DDC PA skill and any other skill exam. 5 seconds. Start. The building is shaped to symbolize scales of justice, with its center beam being the central wing of the building, consisting of the Chief Justice Court, the largest of the court rooms, with 2 court halls on either side. The right wing of the structure has the bar, consisting of rooms, the offices of the Attorney General of India and other law officers, and the library of the court. The left wing has the offices of the court. In all, there are 15 courtrooms in the various wings of the building. The foundation stone of the Supreme Court's building was laid on 29 October 1954 by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India. The main block of the building has been built on a triangular plot of 17 acres and has been designed in an Indo-British style by the chief architect Ganesh Bhikaji Deolalekar, the first Indian to head the Central Public Works Department. It has a 27.6 meter high dome and a spacious colonnaded veranda. The court moved into the building in 1958. In 1979, 2 new wings, the East Wing and the West Wing, were added to the complex. 1994 saw the last extension. On 20th February 1980, a black bronze sculpture of 210 centimeter height was installed in the lawn of the Supreme Court. It portrays Mother India in the form of the figure of a lady sheltering the young Republic of India, represented by the symbol of a child who is upholding the laws of land, symbolically shown in the form of an open book. On the book, a balance beam is shown, which represents dispensation of equal justice to all. The sculpture was made by the renowned artist Chintamani Kar. The sculpture is just behind the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. The design of the court's seal is reproduced from the wheel that appears on the Sarnath loin capital of Ashoka with 24 spokes. The inscription in Sanskrit means whence justice, thence victory. It is also referred as the wheel of righteousness, encompassing truth, goodness, and equity. The registry of the Supreme Court is headed by the Secretary General, who is currently assisted by 10 registrars, several additional and deputy registrars, etc. Article 146 of the Constitution deals with the appointments of officers and servants of the Supreme Court Registry. Supreme Court Rules 213 entitle only those advocates who are registered with the Supreme Court, called advocates on record, to appear, act, and plead for a party in the court. Those advocates who are designated as senior advocates by the Supreme Court or any of the high courts can appear for clients along with an advocate on record. Any other advocate can appear for a party along with or under instructions from an advocate on record. Initially, the Constitution of India provided for a Supreme Court with a Chief Justice and 7 judges. In the early years, a full bench of the Supreme Court sat together to hear the cases presented before them. as the number of the judges has increased, they sit in smaller benches of 2 or 3, referred to as division bench, coming together in larger benches of 5 or more, referred to as a constitution bench, when required to settle fundamental questions of law. Stop.